In recent times, many people have sought to obtain a job online, not having to deal with morning traffic to get to the office, being able to work from the comfort of home or from anywhere in the world, and having the flexibility to set our own schedules are just some of the advantages that remote work offers. In fact, the number of Google searches related to remote jobs has increased sharply over the past 4 years. According to an Indeed survey, 75% of people with remote employment say they now enjoy a better work-life balance, 57% say it has helped them reduce stress, and 50% comment that working remotely they get sick less. However, while remote employment can be a great option, getting one can be a challenge for many people. This is why here we are going to show you a list of 7 jobs that you can do from your home, and that will help you if you're looking to earn some money. Can you imagine earning more than $40 per hour without having to leave your home, and without needing prior experience or money to get started? Number 1. Virtual assistant. It is a profession that has emerged thanks to the internet and is increasingly gaining ground. It is a task that you can do from home, and the good thing is that there are many job opportunities in this type of job. Large, medium, and small companies, including freelancers and startups, are always looking for people who can help them on a day-to-day basis and remotely, that is, without going to the office. But what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Well, virtual assistants do a variety of tasks. Imagine having a personal assistant who works from your own computer. They can handle emails, schedule appointments with clients, manage your company's social networks, research topics on the internet that you need to know about, and prepare presentations for meetings. In other words, they are basically like traditional assistants, but they work remotely. According to Zirtual, a company that offers virtual assistant services, the industries that hire virtual assistants the most are entrepreneurship, consulting, training, and marketing. Why do companies hire virtual assistants? The main reasons are to save time, delegate tasks, increase productivity, and reduce stress. One of the best things about being a virtual assistant is that you don't need any experience to get started. This is especially good for those who want to enter the job market. A great advantage is that you can work from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing you to organize your work time according to your needs. Plus, you'll probably have a constant stream of tasks, meaning you'll always have something to do. However, there can also be challenges. Working from home can be lonely at times, and it can be difficult to separate work time from personal time. Therefore, you need to be very organized and disciplined to manage your time effectively. In short, being a virtual assistant is a flexible and growing profession that offers many opportunities for those looking to work from home. If you are someone who enjoys organization, communication, and technology, this could be a great option for you. Number 2. Data entry. Data entry work is one of the most accessible and popular options for those seeking online jobs without prior experience. Data entry involves the transcription of information from one format to another. This can include entering data into spreadsheets, databases, management systems, and more. It is a job that requires attention to detail, precision, and basic computer skills, but not necessarily prior experience. One of the biggest advantages of data entry is its accessibility. Many companies need people who can enter and organize data and are willing to hire remote workers. Additionally, there are a wide variety of data entry tasks. For example, imagine that a company conducts paper surveys and needs to convert the results into digital format. I would hire someone from data entry to enter those responses into an electronic database. Another common case is updating product lists in online stores, where each item needs to be described and categorized correctly. To start working as a data entry, the 2 things you need are a computer and an internet connection. Additionally, you will be more efficient if you have basic skills in programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Don't worry if you don't have experience with these programs. There are plenty of free tutorials online that can teach you the basics. The salary of a data entry worker can vary. On average, pay can range between $10 and $17 per hour, but will largely depend on the complexity of the job and the company that hires you. To find data entry jobs, you can explore platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where many companies post job offers of this type. It's also helpful to search on job sites like Indeed or LinkedIn, using keywords like data entry. It is an accessible, flexible job, and with wide demand in the current labor market. Number 3. Content moderator. A content moderator is the person in charge of monitoring what is published on social networks, forums, blogs, and other online platforms. Her job is to make sure that everything people upload complies with the site's rules. If they see something that is not right, they remove it or correct it. For example, if someone posts something inappropriate, spam, hate messages, or violence, moderators intervene to remove or modify it. Well-known platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and many others have content moderators. These people not only remove problematic content, they can also communicate with users to resolve issues and answer questions. So, in addition to being detail-oriented, they must have good communication and the ability to make quick decisions. According to ZipRecruiter, the average salary of a content moderator in the United States is almost $58,000 per year. Not bad at all, especially considering they often have flexible schedules and can work from home. In 2022, the market for content moderators was $9.8 billion and is expected to reach $26 billion by 2032. This means that this sector will grow on average 10.25% each year. However, not everything is perfect in this job. Moderators often encounter disturbing content, such as violence and illegal activities, which can affect their long-term emotional well-being. Another thing to keep in mind is that moderators must be impartial. This means that they must put aside their own political, religious, or personal opinions and make decisions based solely on the platform's rules. For example, a moderator should not delete a comment just because they disagree with it, but because it violates the site's policies. Despite the challenges, there is always work available for content moderators. If you are interested in this role, it can be a very good opportunity. Just make sure to stay calm and fair while doing your job. Before continuing with the video, if you find this content useful, I invite you to hit like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new material. Now, let's continue. Number 4. Editor. Also known as copywriting, which practically consists of the creation of texts. These texts can be for web pages, virtual newspapers, emails, advertisements, or video scripts. What you can earn from this job varies greatly, depending on the language you write in and whether you have additional skills such as marketing or SEO. How much you can earn monthly depends on your knowledge and, above all, how quickly you do the work. For example, many scriptwriters for automated YouTube channels can charge approximately $10 to $30 per script, depending on the length or number of words. Therefore, a copywriter who dedicates himself full-time to this can earn between $500 and $1,000 per month, while a person with SEO or marketing knowledge can earn up to $1,500 per month. Number 5. Response to paid surveys. Taking paid surveys is one of the easiest and most accessible ways to make money online, especially if you have no prior experience. Basically, they pay you to share your opinion on different products, services, or topics of interest. It is a task that anyone can do from the comfort of their home, and all you need is a computer or smartphone with internet. You may be wondering why anyone would pay me to give my opinion on a topic. Well, the answer is simple. Many companies and organizations carry out market studies to better understand consumer preferences and needs. To get this information, they create surveys and pay people like you to answer them. These surveys can cover a wide variety of topics, from your purchasing habits to your opinions on new products. For example, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna are some of the most popular platforms where you can sign up and start earning money for completing surveys. These portals will offer you a list of available surveys and will pay you cash once you complete them. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Some surveys can pay you up to $5, while longer, more detailed surveys can pay you between $10 and $20. Although you won't get rich taking surveys, it's an easy way to earn extra money in your free time. For example, if you decide to spend an hour a day completing several small surveys that pay $1 each, you could earn between $20 and $30 a week, which translates to about $80 to $120 a month. Not bad at all for extra income without having to leave the house. Number 6. Customer service via chat. This role is ideal if you like interacting with people, but prefer to do so in writing rather than by video call or phone. It consists of being available online to answer questions and assist customers in real time. It has been found that customers are more satisfied when they can resolve their issues via live chat rather than having to make a call or send an email. However, it's not just about solving customer problems. Companies are realizing that live chat is not only a support channel, but can also boost their business. 79% of companies report that offering live chat has had a positive impact on their sales. Additionally, 38% of consumers are more likely to purchase from a company if it offers live chat support. Everything indicates that in the coming years, more companies from various sectors will incorporate live chat into their customer service services. A big advantage of this job is that it can sometimes include some additional incentives, such as suggesting products to clients and receiving a commission for it, although this depends on the company you work for. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of helping people and solving problems in real time. If you prove to be good at these tasks, there are many opportunities to advance in this type of employment. For example, after a few months of experience and some seniority, you could lead a support team. So, if you are an expert at multitasking and love helping people, this job could be a great fit for you. Number 7. Digital Content Narrator. Being a digital content narrator is one of the most creative and entertaining ways to earn money from home. Basically, it is about giving voice to various types of content, such as audiobooks, videos, podcasts, advertisements, and other multimedia materials. Today, the demand for narrated content has grown tremendously. With the rise of audiobooks and podcasts, more and more authors, companies, and content creators are looking for people who can bring their texts to life through voice. Sites like ACX, which is an Amazon platform for creating audiobooks, allow narrators to connect with authors who need voices for their books. There are also other sites like voices.com or Voice123 that offer opportunities for narrators of different types of content. The main advantage of being a digital content narrator is flexibility. You can record your narrations from anywhere, as long as you have a quiet environment and the right equipment. This includes a good microphone, quality headphones, and recording software, such as Audacity or GarageBand, which are fairly easy to use. Beginning storytellers can earn between $10 and $30 per hour of finished audio, while more experienced narrators can earn between $50 and $200 per recorded hour. Therefore, narrating an entire audiobook can earn you some serious dollars. In addition to audiobooks, you can also work on narration for educational videos, online courses, advertisements, mobile apps, and more. The key to success in this field is having good diction and the ability to convey emotions and nuances through your voice. It is not necessary to have a professional announcer's voice, since sometimes natural and authentic voices are the most sought after. Simply put, there are opportunities for everyone in this job. Anyway, if you are interested in a remote job and in taking advantage of all the advantages that this modality offers, we have given you all the necessary information to get started. Now it's up to you to take action and take advantage of these possibilities to start earning money while working from home and taking a step towards greater economic and financial stability. Are you planning to start doing some of this work? Do you know of any others that are not on the list? Leave us your answer in the comments. If you like this information, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video.